It's fun.
And Pepe.
Today we got a huge amount of Pokemon cards that we want to show you guys. And this is
and over here, these are the Pokemon. These are the gold Pokemon cards. These are the normal Pokemon cards.
And guys, we had to show you these cards.
So these are so rare that there's a Pikachu.
A Pikachu. So guys, let's get started.
So
no, these are mine. These are mine. Show yours, okay? Mr. Mime. We got Mr. Mime. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so weird. We got
Oh my God.
We got Osmar V.
Yeah. And guys, we hadn't told everyone. Yeah, Boo. Yeah, so guys, so I'm gonna show you mine first. So first we got normal Pikachu, Charizard, and Mewtwo, and Shadow Lucario, and Charizard, and Steelix, and Pikachu. I don't know what Pikachu is doing, but Executor. Oh yeah, I have one of the real ones. Wow.
So like these are real.
But these aren't real. And we got like 3 Charizards.
Yeah, and we got
like Moltres. Oh yeah, Guardian Luxus. I forgot to say. I don't know how to say.
And this is Pikachu, but it doesn't look like Pikachu.
Yeah, look at Pikachu.
It just looks weird.
Look at Pikachu's ears. Look at Pikachu.
Armor Pikachu. Pikachu looks so adorable in that armor.
Yeah, and we got
Zapdos.
Toes.
Toes.
Ho-Oh, but they just said Horo. And it says Ash Pikachu VMAX. And Zachlin and Zamenta. And we got Dragonite. And we got Xness. I don't know how to say that.
We got
Pikachu.
Yeah,
Pikachu, detective one.
Detective
Ash
Pikachu.
and
Ash Pikachu.
Yeah, 3 Charizards and Hydreigon and Pikachu.
A dark Pikachu.
Yeah, I don't know why.
We don't know why it's dark.
Yeah.
So like it's kind of weird.
Yeah. So
don't put your feet on it.
So let's just get.
So let's go on this one. So Pikachu. I only have one Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Oddfish.
I'm gonna show the ones that you buy it, okay? Show the ones that you bought. Show the ones that you bought.
This is baby Iron.
Yeah, I mean it looks like a baby. Well, I'll show you.
And tell this. It's what I brought before.
Yeah, Iron.
We got that before.
We already have Iron, so I want to show you guys.
Osmavi. He's nearly a VMAX, so
Where's Aron? Man?
Ditto.
Yeah, cool. Ditto, we already have those. Oh my God, I wish to.
Snazzle, which is rare.
Snazzle. Maui.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look, we already have the Iron. Show the Iron. Where did Iron go?
Oh, yeah, there's one.
Oh my God.
There's no. I can't find Iron.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I can't find Iron. I think it's flipped over.
Is that Iron?
Oh, I think
we have Iron and we have Iron.
There's 2 Irons.
We have 2 Irons. And we have
these are.
Oh yeah.
This is from Pokemon Unite.
Yeah, this is what Pokemon we saw the Pokemon Unite trailer.
In the trailer.
In the Pokemon Unite trailer. And we have Luxray, which is my 3rd favorite Pokemon.
So like Pikachu is my first favorite.
And
Where's Ash Pikachu?
Oh no.
You're stepping on your cards. Cards are not meant to be stepped on.
My socks are really dirty, so my Pokemon cards are dirty.
So put your Pokemon cards down.
So guys, that's all we want to show you.
Hold on. Look, there's like, so like,
oh my God.
this. I'm looking for something. Oh, look at this one.
Look at the real one.
That's real.
Oh,
what did you say?
Oh
Eddie and
Oh
my God, that is so powerful. More than this Charizard. What's its weakness?
Its weakness is...
It doesn't have any weakness.
I can't see its weakness.
It doesn't have any weakness.
I can't see its weakness.
It doesn't have any weakness.
Yeah. Okay, this is... you guys, look at this one. Oh, okay. So guys,
that's all we want to show you. But here's one I didn't say.
Luxray. I already told them, Penny.
Okay, so
that's all we want to show you. Make sure you enjoy what Pokemon cards we showed you that we bought today. And make sure
one more.
Oh yeah.
And we have Gengar.
Yeah, and make sure to...
It was long time ago.
And make sure to subscribe and give us a like.
Bye.